Alright guys, we're back today. Today we're going to flock the dash. We've been waiting a long time for this and we're finally ready. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. We got it all bonded up. I want this damn thing done.
Yeah.
Put back in the car so we can frickin' start painting the car, get that thing running.
Get it on the road.
Get it on the road. So, we got the cracks all fixed. We didn't want to take it too far down because we wanted to keep some strength in it, so we didn't get too crazy. It's pretty good and smooth. We're flocking it, we're not painting it, so it's gonna have obviously a lot more thickness than if we were to be painting it. So the little bit here and there, you're not really gonna notice. So we've never done this before.
No, I'm actually a little nervous about this. So
yeah. We took the thing out of the car. Yeah. We friggin' took a Dremel to it. We took Bondo to it. We painted it. This isn't shit. So, all right, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get set up, and we'll see you in a second.
all right, so we have the Flock It Suede-Tex undercoat adhesive. It's just the glue that holds the fibers on.
And I got the fibers.
Yeah, we're doing black, so it's hard to see, but it's black undercoat adhesive. That way you don't see the color through the fibers. So I'm going to start applying this now.
We already tack cloth the whole thing, and it's all
Yeah.
clean with degreaser and stuff like that. So
What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the front with this little brush first. That way I can get in here.
you only have it says what, 15 minutes
Yeah.
to work with
it's
this
not
stuff,
long.
so you gotta kind of beat feet. Why don't you just hit this edge fast as you can, and then just fucking hammer it with the.
Says you want to apply this stuff very liberally. You want a lot of glue on there.
She's got to be thick.
It says thick, but it's amazing. This stuff's actually pretty thin. It's actually a lot thinner than I was expecting. You're good.
Yeah, we gotta get fucking moving. Alright, we're gonna start laying down the flock. So, here we go.
The sad thing is this flocking kit, that one bag should have taken care of a whole dash.
Well, this is just a little, yeah, but I mean.
It was supposed to be able to take care of like a Camaro's dash, a big dash. One bag.
That's it.
Huh?
Alright guys, so we where's that bag? That's not in that bag.
If you buy the Flock It kit for a dashboard off of Flock It's website, this is the bag you'll get. It was only enough to do the sides and the top.
definitely order more than what
Oh,
you
yeah.
need, for sure, because you don't want to do this 15 times.
No. So what I'm going to do is we're going to stop the video here. I'm going to order another bag.
Several days later.
Alright guys, so we got the glove box done. We didn't do the little hand pull area. And we did the center console cover. We were gonna bride wrap that, but we decided to flock it instead because we liked how much the dash came out. Tyler, what do you think?
I think it came out amazing.
So what did we do in this section of it? Today we did the
Yeah, today, this part of the hyperlapse, we did the bottom half of the dash, the glove box, and the armrest, because 30 seconds before that we ran out of flock. So we had to wait, this is about a week later, but... So we flocked the top half the first time, we just flocked the bottom half along with the glove box and stuff.
things like that. You're not going to see any of that.
No,
'cause
it all has
components
lights.
goes in there.
Yeah.
So we're excited to pull the tape off.
Can't wait to do that. We may actually add that into the end of this video.
We can, realistically, we can do that whenever you want to, because you're not going to hurt anything. Go for it. Unwrap that present. Woohoo!
This tape stuck to
it. First part is off, man. That looks awesome. With the splatter. Man, who knew?
That stuck out. That looks good.
Who knew it was gonna look this good? I mean, it looks incredible. There's still a bunch of excess. We didn't blow any of that off yet. And we have to find the holes for the VIN tag, and we have to re-rivet the VIN tag back on. But, man. Oh, it's over here, the VIN tag. Look at that.
Wow.
Holy crap. That looks incredible.
That does.
That looks incredible. Tyler, why don't you go around back and just tilt this? Styrofoam. Wow. That looks so good. I mean, who knew a few weeks ago, Tyler, that this was a cracked, crappy dash?
Right?
Well, what do you think, man?
Oh, dude, this is better than what I expected. This is awesome. My God, that looks great.
So good.
Wow.
Well, we're going to let this stuff dry, and I think that's going to do it for this video.
I think so. Catch you next time.